If your Xfinity Wi-Fi feels slow, there are several quick fixes that can noticeably boost your connection speed and stability. So firstly, start with a gateway placement. Move your Xfinity modem or router to a central open area in your home, away from walls, metal objects, and other electronics. Higher placement often gives better coverage. And then after that, log into the Xfinity app and run a speed test. If the results are much slower than your planned advertised speed, restart your gateway from the app or unplug it for 30 seconds to refresh the connection. Also, make sure to check how many devices are connected. Too many users streaming or gaming at once can slow things down. Try disconnecting unused devices or upgrade to a higher speed plan. Also, switch between 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. The 2.41 band reaches farther but is slower, while 5 GHz is faster but covers shorter distances. For the best results, connect devices like PCs, consoles, and smart TVs to 5 GHz. Also, as you can see, we have these various general advices. So move closer to your gateway. As you can see, this helps, of course. The closer you are, the better the signal is and the speed as well. Clear the way, so don't place your gateway on the floor, nothing should be standing right in front of it and covering the connection. Then interference, all the same, do not place other electronics that interfere with the signal close to it. And then you can restart the gateway, just like I said. You can relocate, just place it on a more optimal location, and you can also use a troubleshooting tool. And with these tweaks, you'll get smooth streaming, gaming, and downloads across your home. Guys, enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.